Mama.
Mama.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day in JA.
Wagwan.
Wagwan my youth.
Where ya say?
Where say? How you wagwan son so this morning? So wagwan.
Wagwan.
Where you say my youth?
Where ya say my yo?
There upon the Gully side, there upon the Gaza.
We day up on the goods and we day up on the Gaza. Mama.
Yes, Stella. Why you always have your hand underneath my clothes?
Mama won't tell me something.
What do you want to tell me, Tyler?
You already had this yesterday.
Yes, I know. I have the same sweater yesterday and I have it today again. It's a sweater, so I can wear it more than one day, okay?
Okay, you can wear it every day.
Not every day, but I can wear it more than one day. Okay? Come, Sarah. Let's say good morning to the faves. Be nice. Look. Bam. Say good morning. Say hello. Blow them kisses. Mwah. Mwah.
Mama, did you forget something?
Mwah.
Stop on it.
No. Anyway, you guys, it's a brand new day in JA. It's brand new here. It's a brand new day here in this side of the world. In France, beautiful Nice.
It's going to die.
And yes, I see that it's going to die. Lockdown is in full effect, but of course, school is still in session for the little ones. Not for the college and universities. Those are closed. So yeah, I am about to go drop my boy to school right now with my little Tida, who is biting off her fingers. Babe just stepped out to work, so you guys just missed him. So I'm gonna do what I gotta do as usual. Anything you have to tell the faves?
Yes.
What?
Today, when I'm going to school, when it's the end of the day, I'm going to watch the TV in my class.
Oh, that's what you do on Fridays?
No, every day that I go to school.
You watch TV every day?
Yes, every day that
At
I
school?
go to school. Yes,
Oh,
in the class.
okay.
Something learning.
Something learning, that's very good. Anyway, you guys, have a good day. Hold on. Have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Love you guys. If it's your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up right now. Now. You don't have to wait until the video is finished to give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and do that right now. Comment down below and let us know which part of today's vlog is your favorite. And of course, if it's your first time seeing me in this pullover, it is from African Fabs. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can go ahead and get yours. It is so warm, it is so cozy, and African Fabs have the best material. This head wrap is also from African Fabs. Yeah, girl.
And this one too.
And that one too.
Mama.
Yes, Ty?
Like I'm in the blue team, and this Friday when
I'm gonna go get my girl in the stroller.
TV,
Else I'm gonna be late.
to sit on the table.
Okay, go in your sister's room for her jacket. Fast.
Sister,
Fast. Shoes? Where is your shoes? Shoes. Let's put on your shoes.
found it.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Why you throw it on the ground?
Because you have two hands and your two hands are busy.
Yes, so you wait until I am finished, then you put it in my hand. Pick it up, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome.
Go and get your jacket on, please.
Mama, you better charge your camera when you get back.
Yes, I'm gonna do that. Put your jacket on.
When you get back, the camera will already die. Right, Mama?
Maybe. Can you get your jacket on, please?
It's already on me. Oh, so I think it up too. Mama?
Yes, I have. You want your passy? Here. Alright, you need your bag. Tell the face bye-bye.
Later.
Later, my yacht.
Later, my yacht.
And of course, Tyler have cheesies in his bag for snack today at school. Anyway, guys, it's time for me to head out. So I'll catch you guys when I get back. So busy trying to get some stuff done. I am so tired from workout this morning. The workout was amazing. I'll make sure I insert a little clip and show you guys a little bit of what I did this morning. But if you guys are into fitness, or if you guys want to lose some weight or tighten up somewhere, go and check out my workout channel at Body After Baby. The link is down below in the description box. And I have many videos over there. It doesn't matter your age, there is something there for everybody. During this pandemic, I'm sure you're gonna want it, girl. Okay, so come and work out with me over on my fitness channel. Right now, I've been working, and I am following the election. By this, you guys in the USA would have known who's the president. Well, hopefully. It's been 4 days, honey child. I don't normally do politics, but for some reason I'm keeping up with this one because it is so interesting. It is very, very interesting. Yeah, I've been just following up with all that is going on, and all the social media drama and all this drama that the Donald been going on with. But to say the least, it's pretty interesting. And what a time to be alive to witness something like this. The segregation and the also the coming together of everybody, and it's just very interesting. Anyway, my girl is down for a nap, and I need to go and clean my kitchen. You guys, look at my 2 big container of seasoning. Who wants some? I can bag out some, send you, girl. Can you guys tell how excited I am to have seasoning? And I don't have to be using bouillons for everything. I know, have chicken seasoning and all-purpose seasoning. The littlest things that makes me excited. That's how I enjoy life, the little things. I don't want the big luxury this and the listen, I own nothing brand, and I don't care for it because that's not what makes me happy. The little things in life, the simple things that people take for granted, is what I enjoy in life. Like getting 2 jars of seasoning and getting some Suppergen. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to clean this kitchen, and it's Friday, so I'm not cooking, but guess what I'm having for dinner? Hey, guess what I'm having for dinner? If you watch yesterday's vlog, then you'll know what I'm going to have for dinner today. So if you did not watch yesterday's vlog, go and watch a silly vlog and you'll hear us talking about what we're gonna have for dinner today. And if you want to know what we're gonna have for dinner, stay tuned until we reach the dinner segment so you guys can enjoy it with more who don't have it to enjoy. Okay, all right, I'm gonna take my crazy self to go clean my kitchen before my girl wake up, my warrior child wake up. You guys, look who's up. She just had her bottle. Look at her stomach. She just had her bottle. A container of pure fruit and having a piece of banana. Banana? Banana. But she loves to throw her food everywhere. Jesus Christ. She put the entire banana in her mouth. Look at her. Look at her. Y'all look at her. You see what you do? Right on the couch. Sarah, no. So I have to hold it for her. Come. Leave the camera. Come. Say hello. Hello. Say hi. Hello. Say hello. No, here. Banana. Ah. Ah. Mm. Mm. Princess playing by herself. What are you doing? Trying to get under the table? Look at her. Can anybody guess what she's doing? We all have babies. You know what babies do when they hide. Hide and caca. Hide and poop. Tyler used to do the same thing. Sarah, be careful. And Sarah have a habit of going under things and just lay down and chill. Live her best life. Sarah, you living your best life? You miss brother, huh? Brother soon come home from school. You doing caca? Oh. You hiding peekaboo? Peekaboo! 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 She trying to get back the cushion. Here, see one more here. Peekaboo! 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 Time to go change the stinky diaper. Nana! 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 She's like, Mama, leave me alone. Come, let me go change up diaper. Come. Good girl. Good girl. You come to Mama when I called you. Good girl. I have to show you guys this. Whenever Sarah just bring me the guitar, she love the guitar. Whenever I play the guitar, she dance. Look at her right now. Look how happy she's gonna be. Look at me gonna stop playing. I should continue? Okay. She don't want me to stop. You'll be happy when Grandpa come to visit Sarah, because Grandpa plays the guitar very well. Can I stop now? She come in for me to continue. You play. Look at her. She want me to do it. You guys, look at dinner. Look at dinner. Frozen patty. I'm going to the oven. Hey, hey. Get out of the kitchen. 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 Go. Out of the kitchen. Bye bye. Good girl. Go. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye. You're telling me bye-bye, but you're coming back. Out of the kitchen. Go. Go now, please. Oh, Lordy. Oh. Didn't I say out of the kitchen? Huh? You're not leaving? Just as I'm getting excited to put the patties in the oven, there she is, pop up. Alright, so I'm gonna have to work with one hand. So I'm gonna throw them in. Give them a good liquor. Let me say about 10 minutes. Alright. Alright guys, so my baby boy is home and I throw some patties in the oven because it's patty for dinner today. You want patty? You want patty? Look how beautiful these patties are, you guys. I don't think I'll ever do patties in the microwave again. The oven, honey child. Crispy and nice. Sorry, I just want a hot patty. Look at her, look at her. Patty? Not too warm in microwave. Oven. And you know last week was the first time I tried it in the oven and it was so good. Oven is the way to go. It makes it feel brand new. Hot. Hot. What is it, Tara?
It smells good.
It smells good? Patty ready. What's wrong?
I can only want
Mama. You guys, I know that you guys just hear Sarah say mama for the first time clearly. Did you guys hear it? I'm gonna replay. Mama. Mama. Because she said mama out loud just now. You said mama. It's okay. Tyler is not feeling well. That's okay, my boo-boo. See Patty here, come. She want Patty. Come to mama. Mama, I'll give you Patty. No, leave brother alone. Come on this foot. Ah, Patty. Babe is on his way home. So be able to have his Patty. It's supposed to soon reach too, so we're just here chilling and having Patty on this beautiful Friday. Look who's home and just in the corner kill the Patty. Look how him sit down.
I'm not going to say anything.
Can you say hello to the face?
No, I said I'm not going to say anything.
Why? It's not the face bothering you, it's me. Can you say hello to the face, please?
Hi guys! It's the weekend! We enjoy, we celebrate the weekend! I'm also celebrating Tyler every day.
Alright, what time it is? It's Suppleton time!
Okay, I'm not going to take some. I'm just going to let you enjoy.
Really?
No.
I want to be.
You're terrible. I was like, huh? You? Not gonna take Suppleton? I would be like... Okay.
Can you do it again? You can do the dance so good. Do it like you see which dance I'm talking about.
Yes.
Do it.
No,
No, do it.
No. You want me to look like a clown? Anyway, guys, we have two Suppleton.
When you say clown, Sarah laugh.
We have the original Suppleton, and we have this one called cookie and cream that I've never.
The copy cup.
This one I've never tasted. This one, so we're gonna try this one first, right? Right? Alright, so I need 3 cups.
It looks like Bailey. Just look.
It's true. They look like Baileys. Okay. Come tell, let me see your face. Come. Come here, sir. Stand up beside Papa. Look at Tyler's face. You don't like this one?
I don't like that one.
Okay.
You know it's gonna make you poop very fast.
Yep, that's what Suppleton does. Okay. Sorry, I'm going to Papa for some. Alright, so I tasted it for the first time. But of course I prefer the original. It tastes good though. It tastes like Baileys without alcohol.
You have 2 tests. You have a first test and you have an after test.
It's true. It tastes like Baileys without alcohol. Don't, honey?
No.
No?
No.
Alright.
You look like Bailey, but you don't taste.
I won't have to taste it. I'm gonna rinse out Tyler cup and give him the original.
Alright, you have a smile this time. You like it?
You have a smell this time.
A smiley face.
You have a smell.
Eh, Sarah, you have a smile
Sarah, you want
too.
Suppleton?
Sarah eat everything. You should just give her water. Eh?
Alright, so you want this one? You want this one?
Instead of want water.
So you don't want any more Suppleton? Hmm?
Yes, I don't want it.
Why? You don't like it?
I don't like a little bit this one.
Really?
A little bit like this.
Like, you don't like a little bit and you like a lot of it, c'est ça?
So should I leave some for you or no?
Just the little bit that you don't like, Papa drink. Papa gonna drink the little bit that you don't like, and the rest of the
Okay, I'm
bits,
gonna put some in your cup. Come, Papa, give me a glass. You want me to mix them? Cause I'm gonna mix mine.
No. That's not. That's not a glass?
No, mine. Come, Sarah, drink Suppleton, me goodie. This is only the blue one you have.
Oh.
Suppergen. Suppergen and patty. You can't tell me saying a Jamaican made right now.
Day one, supper gen.
Day one. We have one eggnog. Who don't like eggnog? Babe don't like eggnog.
I prefer the original, the vanilla.
Me too.
Mama,
Mm?
tastes like green juice.
No tie. It doesn't taste
No, you
like
already have you have a texture. You have things like Bailey's without.
I
alcohol.
told you. Well, sorry. Who are you telling bye bye?
Bye.
She said bye bye. Bye bye. Who are you telling bye bye?
It's the weekend, baby. Oh.
Alright, Sarah. Finish now. What a way to end the week. Suppergen and patty. I'm gonna suck out the glass now.
Cheers.
I'm not make none waste. Sorry, mess up my sweater. I need to wash it.
Mama.
Anyway, you guys. Problem? Sorry, I already don't tell her for Suppergen. Sit here.
I need some water.
Tell her come to me and say, Mama, problem. Sarah running down film Suppergen.
Tyler.
Look at Sarah and the Suppergen. Sarah, you're not to drink too much of the Suppergen, you know?
Ah, sharp.
A little. Come, tell Faves bye-bye. We're ending the vlog.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Oh, God.
Adios.
Tell Faves bye-bye, Sarah.
Goodbye.
Adios.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Arrivederci.
Bye-bye. Blow kisses. Blow kisses, Sarah. Mwah. Guys, that's the end of today's vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little much that we had to show you. If it's your first time to the fam bam,
You hide
Be
my
sure
face.
to-
You hide my face.
be sure to
You hide my
subscribe
face.
and click the notification bell to make sure you don't miss a vlog. Mondays to Fridays without failing. Love you guys. Thank you guys for always supporting. And thank you guys for 16,000 subscribers. We love every single one of you. 16,000 subscribers we have now. Say thank you guys. Say thank you guys. Die. Sarah, no. I see danger.
That's the danger too.
More. Say thank you guys.
Peace.
We out. Adios, amigos.
Adios, amigos.